Hello friends, welcome to MNP Guru. In today's video, we will know about the new LIC plan whose name is Dhan Rekha. The plan number is 863 and it is going to be launched on 13th of December 2021. In this video, we will know in detail what are the features, benefits and various other things related to this plan. And also we would like to tell you about unique features of this plan which is added in this policy especially. So this video is very important. Let's start the video. Friends, before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. So LIC Dhan Rekha plan number is 863. This plan will launch on 13th of December 2021. It is a non-linked, it means it is not an ULIP plan. Non-participating, it means the bonus is guaranteed, that is, it is declared beforehand only. Individual life insurance plan, which will give you benefit of life insurance also. You can pay premium in single premium mode or limited premium payment options of 10 years, 15 years or 20 years. About the payment options, we will know in detail in the video later. So this plan has got two unique features, one of survival benefits and other of guaranteed addition. Talking about survival benefit, the policy holder will get a certain percentage of basic sum assured from the middle of the policy term and at the gap of 5 years. If you talk about guaranteed addition, from the 6th policy year till the end of policy term, the policy holder will also get guaranteed additions, which is declared beforehand only. So all the things about survival benefits and guaranteed additions we will know in the video later. So first let's talk about eligibility. The minimum sum assured for this policy is 2 lakhs, and as you all might be knowing that the maximum sum assured, there is no limit. You can go for any sum assured. If you talk about policy term, 3 policy terms are available of 20 years, 30 years and 40 years. And about premium payment term, that is how many years you have to pay the premium. So if you are going for single premium option, you have to pay premium only for one time. And if you are going for limited premium option, for the term of 20 years, you have to pay premium 10 years. For the term of 30 years, you have to pay premium for 15 years. For 40 years term, you have to pay premium for 20 years. As you can understand, whatever is your term, you have to pay the premium for half of that term. About the age, that is minimum and maximum age. If you are taking a term of 20 years, the minimum entry age is 8 years. If you are taking a term of 30 years, then the minimum age at entry will be 3 years. And if you are taking a term of 40 years, then the minimum entry age is 90 days. And about maximum age, if you are talking about single premium first, then for a term of 20 years, the maximum entry age is 60. For a term of 30, the maximum entry age is 50 years. And for a term of 40, the maximum entry age is 40 years. And if you are going for limited premium options, then for a term of 20 years, the maximum age at entry is 55 years. For a term of 30, the maximum age at entry is 45 years. And for a term of 40, the maximum entry age is 35 years. So this plan is available for the age group of people from 90 days to 60 years. One important thing is about the date of commencement of risk. If you are talking about a child whose age is less than 8 years, then the risk cover will start on the age of that child after attainment of 8 years or after 2 years of date of commencement of policy. For example, if you are talking about a child whose age is 4 years and you are taking this policy for him or her, then the risk cover will start after 2 years. That is when he will attain the age of 6 years. That is after taking 2 years after taking the policy. But if you are taking the policy on the age of 7 years child, then he will attain the age of 8 just after 1 year. Then the risk cover will start after 1 year only. That is after 2 years or after attaining the age of 8, whichever is earlier. And needless to say, whose age are more than 8 years, the risk cover will commence immediately. Now let's talk about the benefits related to this policy. If you talk about maturity, at the time of maturity, the policyholder will get the sum assured plus guaranteed addition. One unique feature of this policy is that no survival benefit will be deducted. That is, no money back will be deducted from the maturity amount. In all the money back plan available with LIC, this is a unique feature which is given in this policy. No survival benefit, that is money back, will be deducted at the time of maturity. If you talk about death benefit, in case of death, the nominee will get the sum assured plus guaranteed addition till the date of death. That is, he will get the sum assured amount, the nominee, and also the bonus up till that date. Now, two important topics we are going to cover. One is of guaranteed addition and second is survival benefit. First, let's see what is the rate of guaranteed addition. Look, one thing you have to understand that guaranteed addition will be added to this policy from the 6th policy year. For the first 5 years, there is no guaranteed addition, but from the 6th policy year till the end of the term, the policyholder will get a guaranteed addition. For the term of 6 to 20 years, that rate is rupees 50 per thousand sum assured. For the term 21 to 30 years, rupees 55 per thousand sum assured. And for the term 31 to 40 years, that rate is rupees 60 per thousand sum assured. Also, if you talk about the financial market scenario, LIC is given guarantee of 40 years bonus rates. That is also a very commendable thing. And about survival benefits, for a term of 20 years, the survival benefit will start at the rate of 10% at the end of 10th and 15th year. That is, after 10 years, the policyholder will get 10% of sum assured, and after 15 years, again the policyholder will get 10% of sum assured. And in the term of 30 years, the policyholder will get the survival benefit at a rate of 15% at the end of 15th, 20th and 25th year. And for the term of 40 years, the survival benefit is available at the end of 20, 25, 30 and 35 year at the rate of 20% of the sum assured. And again, I would like to repeat, all these survival benefits will not be deducted from the maturity amount. Now, mode of premium payment. As you all might be knowing, 4 options are available: yearly, half yearly, quarterly, and you can also pay premium in monthly, NACH mode and also salary saving mode. Grace period about this policy: in yearly, half yearly, quarterly mode, there is 30 days grace period, and in a monthly mode policy, there is 15 days grace period. And surrender loan facility is also available in this policy. If you are going for a single premium policy, you can surrender it anytime after taking the policy. In limited premium option, you can only surrender after 2 full years premium payment. And if you talk about loan, in single premium option, loan is available after 3 months, and in limited premium option, much as the same way as surrender, the loan facility is available after 2 years full year premium payment. So this was all about LIC's new plan, Dhan Rekha, a plan with guaranteed addition and money back. You can also visit our website www.mnpknowledgeschool.com for more detail. The link of the website page is given in the description box of this video. To know about the premium rates of this plan, just wait for our next video. In that video, we will cover about the premiums and various other aspects related to this plan. Until next video, have a nice day, keep smiling, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and please subscribe our channel so that we can propagate more and more. Thank you.